Hello guys, welcome to my channel CraftsWithShammu. Please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon. Hey guys, today DIY is a very simple single layered pearl chain. So let's see how to do this today. Firstly, you need some pearls. I used medium sized pearls over here. Next is the elastic wire. You can also use fish wire. Now insert a jump ring into the wire. Take a pressable bead and press it using the pliers. Now start inserting the pearls into both the strings. It's just that simple. And guys, you can check out my other pearl jewelry if you are interested. The link is in the description box. And when you're done through halfway, insert a drop shaped pearl. And then again start inserting the pearls one by one. Keep inserting it until you finish it. Count how many pearls you have inserted already and insert that number of pearls on the other side too, so that you can get the drop pearl in the center. This is how it looks. Now insert a jump ring and using a pressable bead lock the other end too. Lastly, take a thread and attach it to the chain. You can get this for around 15 to 20 rupees in the market. And that's it, you're done. Well, I hope you liked this video. Please give a thumbs up if you did. And do the most important thing right now. Subscribe. So meet you in my next video guys, and until then, happy crafting, bye bye and take care.